love me. Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.
Welcome back, gang. Girl, Perp Queen here with a video showing you guys how I prep my Vietnamese sandwich. It's like really, I like the grilled. It's like with the sandwich that I made was with grilled chicken that I had left over from me barbecuing. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna just go ahead and make this sandwich, and I made it. But like I told y'all in my previous videos, I deleted it trying to get this YouTube editing and all this and that going on. So yeah, I got a little, something going on in the background. Finna get my dog, King. Look, getting King out. Come on. Take him outside in the back with me, check on my meat. Come on, little baby. So yeah, finna go. Oh, don't let me trip. Come on. He's thirsty. Gonna go down.
I just want to say.
Come on. Excuse my back porch. Hold on. I got something. Look at him. He going up the stairs that he ain't supposed to. We don't live up there, bro. We going down. Come on. Let me go. And it's dusty. Come on. Look at him. Looking through the cobwebs. Nasty. See, this ain't my level. I don't fuck with over there. I just go boom in that one and down. Come on. It's always somebody. Always. Come on, before my stuff burns. She took off. I got the jerk chicken right here, the dark ones, and this is like kicking chicken. So, yeah. Ain't nobody got time for all that extra stuff. Y'all see me still. Look, baby. Okay, guys, I'm back. The previous video I had, the meat was on the grill. Here go my jerk chicken. So one thing I have to do is slice this up and get prepared for my sandwich, for my MUKBANG Vietnamese sandwich. I already washed my veggies. See that? I washed my veggies, my lime. Ooh, it's dripping. My lime, cucumber, jalapeno, cilantro. Oh, I gotta get my serrano pepper because like I need that kick. Spice. But as y'all see, I'm done up and all that. Got my nails on. So this is the next day. This is how I did the sandwich the last time. I had some extra jerk chicken breast and I saw lovely Mimi and Connie going to their favorite spot, Vietnamese spot for this sandwich in DMV. She don't live there no more because she just moved to California recently and on Lady House Tour. Like, I already know of it because, you know, I'm a fan since way back, loving hip hop. But, yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and heat this up in the microwave, like nuke it for a couple of minutes. Or matter of fact, I'm just gonna put this to the side and y'all finna see how like I just slice up the veggies and prepare that for, you know, doing the mukbang and everything. But I am for this one because it's gonna have to heat up and cool off and all that. This is for my butter sauce and leftover butter sauce that I had. I was supposed to do another video and something else, but I got enough to like use in this video because I want to see how this sounds. I'm just on some grease shit or whatever. I'm gonna dip it and see what it tastes like. First, I'm gonna just go ahead and just chop up my cucumbers. I like the skin on mine. I mean, I wash it good enough for it to be okay. I like fresh veggies. That should be good enough. Yeah, and my griddle already heating over here so I can grill my bread, baguette. This jalapeno is fat. This is like an abnormal jalapeno, like for it. I love jalapeno, like anything spicy. I do season all. The recipe calls for, you know, gutting the seeds and everything out. But like I said, I love that spice. So I'm doing all seeds and all. And it's up to you how you want to slice your peppers. Like that's a lot. And I'm talking about putting this around and everything. But I love it. Like, yeah, that shit is enough. I might not even do the serrano. I ain't gonna disrespect y'all. I might just go ahead and keep the jalapeno. I just probably put the serrano. You know what? Let me get it out right now. Just got like a little one, you know, put it on the side just because I'm going to just bite on it. Because I'm missing that spice. So we're going to put that right there. Okay, cilantro. Like, cilantro. This calls for like stamps and all, so it don't matter. Like I said, I like a lot. So I'm just going ahead and throw the rest of this away because I got plenty of more. I don't want too much skin. So this should be about, should I put some more? No, that should be good. I don't want to overload it. Because like I said in my last video, man, I put so much cilantro on it. It was big. Got the cilantro, jalapeno, serrano, and cucumbers, and a lime. I'm just gonna slice it in here just like that because I'm gonna squeeze it on my sandwich with that extra. So put that over there. So now, already for the pickled vegetables, there's cucumbers, onions, and carrots. I'm ghetto, so I already had kosher pickle, like juice, so that's what I use to pickle my vegetables. That's supposed to be pickled. Everything else is supposed to be fresh, but the cucumbers, radish, and onions is supposed to be pickled, and this is how I did it. And just like what they do a cucumber, how they pickle it. The regular version, it calls for rice, vinegar, sugar, and all that extra stuff. And that's why it's red, because of the radish. You know, I had marinated it. So I'm going to go ahead and take some of that out and put that in the bowl. Matter of fact, I'm doing it now. So I'm going ahead and get ready so I can sit down and eat, because I'm hungry. Ooh, it looks like it's more. Where are my onions? Ooh, this looks like a lot. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, we'll do it like that. But I got a big sandwich. I don't understand. Sometimes my eyes do be bigger than my stomach. It make me want to cut up some fresh onions. Cause I ain't got a lot of onions in here. You know what I probably do? But my last video, which I got to read, like I've been telling y'all, I had did the onions and radishes and pickled it, and I had fresh carrots. But this time it's like, it looked like I'm finna have pickled radish and pickled carrots and fresh onions. I just need that. I need it. So yeah, I'm gonna go cut up some onions. Just a little. Just a little, so I get that taste. Since they ain't a lot up here. But it's mostly radish and radish and carrots. So yeah, let me give me a little onion now. Should I do red or yellow? I'm gonna go ahead and be yellow. Just stick with it in the family. I don't wanna go crazy. A fresh onion. Welcome back, Royal Gang, to my YouTube channel. It's your girl, Purple Queen. Yeah, that's me. Thank you for coming back, getting subscribed, and liking my videos in the past, and bringing a bell to get notification for this video. And for those who are new, thank you for even visiting, and hope you like what you see. Like it, comment, subscribe, and tell others about it. So today, as y'all can see with the previous video, I had grilled my chicken and everything, and prepared, sliced up the vegetables on there for my mukbang, my Vietnamese sandwich. I broke my bread, but it's okay because I'm still going to eat it. I was going to do another one and all that, but it's like, fuck it. We be alright. So, but yeah, got everything set up. Gotta wait for baby out the kitchen. We go distract her. Right there. Okay, I'm so glad. Oh, and when I was setting up for this, it's like my pickled vegetables failed. I had to get some more and all that. It's like I was pissed off. That's why I'm smoking right now. Heads are just like stop. Like I said, I hope I ain't gotta get back up for nothing else. I'm good. Yeah, I'm good. So let's get to building this sandwich and eating, because I'm hungry. I've been thinking about this all day. Period. Like I said in my other videos, I got this sandwich from Watch Your Lovely Mimi. I'm subscribed to her. Her and her best friend Connie, when she stayed in DMV, she just recently moved to California. She went to the store, and they used to always make these sandwiches. She said she used to go like twice a week. So I don't know. I'm pretty sure I'm from Chicago. I know some Vietnamese restaurants, but it's always better to just do my own. I don't trust them, so I'm just trying to do it myself. And I think mine's even better because last week was like fat, like they're small. It'd be like, this much, like of everything. Y'all, wait till y'all see how I finish this. Just wait. Boom. I'm gonna start off with my mayo. Use whatever mayo you want to. I like the Hammonds. Rest of my family loves Miracle Whip. I don't know how, but that's their preference. I'm a Miracle Whip girl. Ooh. Last time I had a problem. I'm trying to see how I'm gonna layer this. I had sliced up my jerk chicken. Normally, they use like sliced chicken breast, but they seasonings, Vietnamese seasonings, but most I think the Vietnamese is kind of like spicy. But this is jerk. So that's how I did the sandwich last time, and this time I'm gonna do it all the time. I'm gonna do my pickled vegetables first. Like I said, you're supposed to have pickled radish, onions, and carrots. And I ain't do it how normally they do with the rice vinegar and the sugar and something else they put in it, but just like how a regular pickle is, like my jar of pickles, like I just cut my vegetables up and just put it in the extra, the leftover juice out your pickle jar. It's red because of the radishes, but yeah, that's right. And I got some extra onion because it ain't too much onion. I thought it was a lot of onion. That was pickled, but I used most of them from the last sandwich I made. So I'm going to put some fresh onion. I need it. I need that bite. A couple of more. Don't worry about how many onions I'm putting in my sandwich. It's my business, not y'all's. Don't judge me. Judge the person to the left of you. You're not watching Orange is the New Black. I know that thing. So, the way, man, I'm kind of mad because the way I cut my chicken, it came out, I'm trying to cut it like in circles, like thick like this, this is too thick. It started straightening and breaking like that. So it's like, if it ain't one thing, it's another. It ain't nobody but the Lucifer. These pieces is black because that's the jerk. It's good. I'm talking about my chicken. See how I say? I already got a lot of chicken like that. One more piece. Just break it up. I'm hungry. I put my leftover chicken to the side for somebody else, somebody else that. I use sesame oil, something that's not required or in their recipe for the salad. Just drizzle my bread with the sesame oil. Let that soak in while I'm still pounding the rest of this up. So, got my jalapenos. That's what I'm gonna say. Just in case I want some more spice, which I probably don't because jerk is pretty spicy by itself. I just love spice. So it's probably, I probably don't, you know. I'm trying to see if I keep it up like this. This is the leftover ones. I don't really like. I want to add it. I'm going to just drizzle with squeeze the limes. Just a half. Get on with it. I got my cucumbers. Let me see how to do this. I go put them in the cucumber because it's already tall. Like I'm playing Tetris. Candle. And since it's broke, I can just do it like that. Hold on, you know what? I'm gonna do it. I'm just take it down and lift it up because I got a feeling that it's gonna like fall over like it just did. Look at all my vegetables. Crazy. Today is not my day. For real, for real. And a bunch of cilantro. That's just me. Make my cucumber stay up on here. Like that. Smash that bad boy down. Put this extra stuff over there. And that's my I'm gonna get it right. I'm gonna put it up there so y'all see how to spell it and y'all tell me how to pronounce it. Mumbai sandwich. The lovely Mimi. I'm gonna just call it the lovely Mimi. The Vietnamese sandwich. So it's like I'm supposed to cut this, or I should just pick it up and just go ahead and cut this. Don't know, it's falling apart. Y'all see cheese, chicken, everything. It do look like it's a lot of cilantro, but I'm telling you. If y'all a veggie person like me, you would love it. So I'm just going ahead and go to town like that. Okay. I'm so excited. A bun on. Let go, bro. That was so ghetto, but whatever. I'm hungry, and I've been into it, so it's not getting up. Ain't no please stand by in this video. I don't know if you see it, but I got some butter sauce, homemade leftover butter sauce. This is my woo-wop the bam sauce. That's what I call it. Let's see. This is the best shit. See this? Oh, patty. Yeah, definitely ain't Vietnamese no more. I just messed this much all over with the butter sauce. Not the butter sauce, the woo-wop the bam sauce. Fire. Drop it. Look at it. Ain't no snackalicious over here. Woo-wop the bam. I think it's so spicy. We go out. The bite of pepper did it. Okay, that spice I needed. It's a little sloppy because I went overboard on ingredients, but I ain't finna sell you no skimpy sandwich stuff. This is the sandwich you'll get from me. So it'll be worth your dollars, your hard working pennies, all of that. This is everything. Well, not everything, but because not everything is fine. But It just gave me life. I ain't eating all day but a cream soup. Said I'm gonna go eat nothing. I ate this and it's worth the wait. We're working. So, I really need to get up and get a nap. I said I want to get a nap. Anyway, this is going to be that no white or no white and human challenge. Some shit they had earlier this summer. Challenge on YouTube. Amongst the MUKBANGers. Yeah, I don't like that. But, we're going to have some chicken. We finally found out today who is the new president-elected. Congratulations to the Biden camp. I almost didn't want to because both sides was like, drinking. But Trump is doing a lot. And I just want to see what somebody else different could do. Like, give somebody else a chance. Because, all we gotta do is just wait and see. Because everybody knows both sides. If you be keeping up with them, know what they're saying, what they're about, and what they stand for, you just know it. They both, the only thing they both can agree on with one thing is people of color. That's the only thing. That's why I was like, I don't know. Or just don't. My bad, guys. My battery had that. Had to get up and change it. Hold on. My bad. I do apologize. My stuff was acting crazy. My fault. Yeah. Y'all saw that. I thought I was fucking talking to y'all, and I wasn't. Like, this shit blew me. I done talked about this sandwich and everything. It was so ready and all that. Y'all saw that, and it's like, fucked up sandwich. It looked kind of sloppy, but it was fine. Like, I don't know. Like, it looked better the first time I did it. Y'all saw my face. I'm like, what the fuck? Like, I'm thinking I'm seeing bad, you know, subscribe, like, comment, you know, see Royals, you know, next time. Click that button, and it was like, y'all saw me. I'm just gonna get, I had to come back and close this out, because, you know, that's improper like I did last time. And this is the rest of the sandwich. I'm just gonna throw this motherfucker against the wall. It's like the Vietnamese cursed me for me to not to do a great video. Like, fuck butter and bread. Like, this just blew me. Like, I don't even want to make this sandwich no more. Period. I gotta woosah because this shit is not finna discourage me. Like, y'all don't understand. Like, me setting it up, I'm dropping stuff, had to redo it. Oh my god, crazy. But like I said, I'm just gonna fuck this sandwich up, like throw it against the wall, do a motherfucking Nick Avocado type shit. But I ain't crazy. Come on now, that shit still gonna get 8. Period. But my next video coming up soon. My sisters and them asked me about this. I'm gonna hurry up, download this, so y'all go ahead and get over it and see. I hope you guys enjoy this. Thank you for being patient. This video was fucked, but whatever. It was supposed to be. I can't tell Mimi to come look at this video. I mean, she can if she wants to. I still made her sandwich fire better than what they did in DMV, but whatever. But I don't know if I'm gonna do this again. It's just, I don't know. But thank you for watching, subscribing, liking this video, commenting, sharing, telling somebody about it. For you new ones, I'm sorry that it was kind of bogus, but thank you for watching anyway. Hope you subscribe and come back again. Click that bell, and I will see you next time, Royals. Gang, gang, kings and queens, love yourself, wash your hands, social distance, all that, all that, all that. Let me hurry up because I got stuff to do today. See y'all in the next video. She tried to tell me, say Biden 2020. Well, actually 2021. Same thing. Oh, whatever. But see you in the next video, guys. Thank you. Bye.